Go on, give us a hiccup. Hiccup.
He hates it.
Hiccup. Oh, you got the hiccup. Hmm? You got the hiccup. Hiccup.